Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey friends, quick heads up. You'll thank me later for showing you this. So many people are talking